So today we're reviewing NuvaPure Aged Garlic Extract, a supplement being marketed online as a natural alternative to prescription statin medication for cholesterol and blood pressure support. But there are 5 things you need to know before spending your money on this. The core claim is that NuvaPure can replace prescription statins, with testimonials showing people coming off statin medication completely after using this product. But the disclaimer at the very bottom of the same page states that these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA and the product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Encouraging people to stop prescription medication while carrying that disclaimer on the same page is a serious concern. Now look at the marketing tactics. The page displays a batch counter showing units selling out to create fake urgency, and the review numbers are inconsistent throughout the same page. 15,000 customers in one section, 9,274 in another, and 2,203 reviews in a third. 3 different numbers on the same page, none of them linking to a verified independent platform. Now look at the contact situation. The only way to reach this company is a single support email and listed business hours. There is no phone number, no physical business address, and no company registration anywhere on the page. For a supplement making heart health and cholesterol claims, that absence is a red flag. And here is the image concern. Every customer review photo and testimonial image used throughout the page appears AI-generated. There is not a single verified real customer photograph anywhere on the website, which raises serious questions about whether the reviews shown are genuine at all. And finally, on the BBB scam tracker, one user has already reported this company as a scam, stating they ordered a product and never received it, losing $30. Even a single complaint on a consumer fraud tracker is worth noting before handing over your payment details. So, here is the honest conclusion. NuvaPure encourages people to replace prescription medication while its own disclaimer contradicts those claims, uses inconsistent unverified review numbers, hides behind a single email address, fills its page with AI-generated imagery, and already has a BBB scam tracker report against it. Proceed with serious caution.